Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here and welcome to this short video about the useful tool red eye correction in Adobe Lightroom. If you are using a flash directly in the face of humans or on wildlife, you may get red eyes in your photos. In this image of a rufous motmot in the rainforest of Panama, I used a flash with a flash beamer mounted on it, and the bird has a colored reflection in the eye. How can you remove that from your image? Well, let's get started. First, you have to be in the Develop module in Adobe Lightroom, and here on the top of the menu on the right side we have the red eye correction tool. So I can click on that, and here the menu opens, and you can see we have two options. One is a straight red eye corrections, and that you can use for humans. If a human has red eyes, you can use that one. Click on that. But if you have a pet, like in this photo with a wild bird, you use that one because it's a little bit different how that works. So let's get started. I click on the pet eye, and I go straight out here, and I center it in the eye of the bird, and then I click, and then it forms a circle around the eye, and the color is gone. Let's see. I can close it. Look, now the color is gone in the eye and it looks more normal. Let's do it one more time. Can go back here, red eye correction, click on it, pet eye, use the pet eye tool here. I can reset it now just to do it one more time. I reset, see it goes back to the colored eye here. So let's do it again. I go into the center of the eye and I click, and the tool does my job for me, and then I close. See here, the eye is more normal. So thank you for watching this short video, and I see you in another one. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel and get more updates and more online learning materials. See you soon. Thank you.